I'm about 20 miles west of Orlando here in Clermont, Florida. This area used to be vast orange groves. It's pretty much now just modern development. But one thing still remains, standing behind me, this majestic citrus tower. Let's take a look. Built in 1956, from the top you could once see 17 million citrus trees spread across 2,000 square miles, 1/3 of Florida's entire citrus industry. Once the highest observation deck in the state, the citrus tower rises like a proud sentinel over the rolling hills of Clermont, 226 feet of pure Florida optimism. "22 stories of concrete and steel, 5 million pounds worth. She's stood through decades of change, her iconic orange stripes shining again thanks to dedicated restoration." As I circle her from the sky, she reminds us how Florida's bold dreamers turned humble groves into a landmark that still lifts our eyes and our spirits toward what's possible when you build something lasting. The next time you're driving through Clermont, stop in, take the elevator ride to the top, and step through a little piece of living Florida history.